Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So the other day I spotted a set of BFGoodrich KO2s on Facebook Marketplace of all places, and they were only 700 bucks. And because I drove a little bit, the guy took 600. So I figured why not buy them, because they were brand new right off of a Wrangler 392. I normally don't recommend buying tires used, quote unquote used, but you know, they were legitimately brand new. You could totally tell that they don't have maybe 100 miles on them. So I figured why not for that price tag, 600 bucks, and we can actually make the Lunar rock look the part. As you guys know, I already had the Westcott Designs lift kit, perch lift kit on it, but I put on the stock Terra grapplers because I'm selling it soon, right? Really, it's just waiting for the title to come in the mail to actually sell it, as I already have that lined up. But I figured in the meantime, might as well slap these guys on it and actually make it look the part, and show a quick video to you guys. You guys know, actually I don't know how much I actually talked about it, but I'm selling the 4Runner to the same exact dealership that bought my Tundra. This Fitzgerald Toyota out in Maryland, they bought my Tundra for $65,000, and they offered at that time $64,000 for the Lunar Rock 4Runner here as well, and that was in stock form. So my hope is, because it's been a month and a half as I've been waiting for the title to come in, I'll just bring it to him in this form, and he'll likely still buy it at that price. So more to follow on that, of course, but figured I would just do this because it was a one-in-one swap. The Terra grapplers that were on only had a couple thousand miles on, if that, and those sell pretty quick for 500, 600 if you were to put them on Craigslist or whatever. So it was a swap out in my mind, and it meant bringing the Lunar Rock back to the true form. So let me show you guys up close. Sorry, we got a lot of ice out here today. Try not to break my back. So yeah, 285 70 17s. And with the Westcott Designs perch lift, you get 2 inches up front, as you guys know, and 1.25 inches in the back, which gives it that perfectly balanced look, leveled look, in my opinion. And I gotta admit, between the two of them here, Lunar Rock definitely definitely looks better, at least in my opinion. Lunar Rock has always been the better looking color, but for the sake of getting the little bit more exclusive color, that's why we bought the Lime Rush. I like it, it's growing on me a lot, but that's why we ended up going this route. Only offered on the 4Runner TRD Pro, as you guys know, for $22. Yeah, I'd be curious to know your thoughts. Which one do you think is looking better, especially now that they both had the same exact shoes on? Give you a side look at the Lime Rush, of course. Alright team, there you have it. Really just a quick video for you. Let me know your thoughts. Till next time.